Welcome guys for lab preparation of ethene gas. You can subscribe, share, comment at the button below. Hello guys, under organic chemistry 1 we are going to look at lab preparation of ethene gas. So without wasting time, we will go through the lab apparatus and all reagents required for the preparation of ethene gas. Here we have our Kong sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. We have ethanol. We have a source of heat, water burner. We also have round bottom flask. We have a dropping funnel. We have delivery tube. We have 3 triple stand wire gauge. We have conical flask. We also have a collecting jar gas. We have 2 measuring cylinder. We have a gas lighter. We have here 3 solutions. One is sodium hydroxide solution, potassium permanganate, acidified potassium permanganate. We have acidified potassium dichromate. We have water. So these are the basic apparatus that we are going to use in preparation of ethene gas. So without so much time wastage, let us start our preparation. In the round bottom flask, we are going to put in the round bottom flask, we are going to insert porcelain beads. These are our porcelain beads. The porcelain beads will majorly prevent the bumping of liquid. That is a mixture of sulfuric acid and ethanol. So next we are going to measure sulfuric acid and ethanol in the ratio of 2:1. The sulfuric acid, let us start with ethanol first. I'm going to measure 50 ml of ethanol. This is 50 ml of ethanol. I'm going to add 100 ml of sulfuric acid. This is the 100 ml of sulfuric acid. The reaction is so explosive, so we expect some fumes. The reaction is exothermic. Now here in the round bottom flask, we have a mixture of sulfuric 6 acid and ethanol. In the conical flask, I'm going to add sodium hydroxide. This is sodium hydroxide. Now, the gas jar at the end will just help us to compress the gas for easy collection. Let us look at each work of the apparatus we have set. So, the work of sulfuric acid is to act as a drying agent. A drying agent whereby it will just dehydrate water from ethanol to form ethene. The work of sodium hydroxide here is just to remove sulfur 4 oxide and carbon 4 oxide that are formed due to decomposition of ethanol and sulfuric acid. Now, as I told you earlier, the work of gas jar is just to compress the gas. Let us look at how we will produce the gas and how we can test using various laboratory tests. So, first of all, I'm going to set source of heat, which we have here. Ethene gas will be produced at the temperature between 160 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. So we will give it time for the formation of ethene gas. Upon production of the gas, we are going to test the smell of the gas. We are going to test the nature of the gas, the appearance. We will also test the gas using both potassium permanganate, acidified potassium permanganate, and acidified potassium dichromate. In case that there is production of gas in the reaction chamber. As the heat increases, the rate of bubbles will be increased. The rate of bubbles has started increasing, indicating that the gas is coming out. Test number 1, we are going to ignite the gas and see how it burns. After that, we will bubble the gas through potassium permanganate. Then finally we will bubble it to potassium dichromate. The reaction is a bit explosive. The glass beads are the one preventing the bubbling of liquid to avoid breakage of round bottom flask. The production of gas. We can test by igniting. Now this is an indicator that we have produced ethene gas. Ethene gas burns in a yellow flame, yellow sooty flame. This is an indication that the gas is being produced. Let us bubble the gas through potassium, acidified potassium permanganate. This is our acidified potassium permanganate, which is purple in color. We are going to give it time for it to bubble. The purple color of potassium permanganate turns to colorless. Let us do it using potassium dichromate. While passing the gas through potassium dichromate, it will take just a bit longer time as compared to potassium permanganate. The color of potassium dichromate changes from orange to green. Gas can also be collected via over water method. Here we have our trough. We do have our beehive shelf. We have our collecting jar and lid. The reason why we can collect ethene gas via over water method is that ethene gas is slightly soluble in water. We are going to give it time to be collected. Now this one is our ethene gas. It can easily escape because it is lighter than air. As you can observe here, it is escaping. The main reason why we have used a long delivery tube is just to prevent backward of sodium hydroxide to prevent sodium hydroxide to go in backward direction. Of water from ethanol is called the hydration process. The process can be reversed. Now, the reaction can be reversed whereby it reacts with Kong sulfuric acid to form ethyl hydrogen sulfate at room temperature. When ethyl hydrogen sulfate is added to water, we will have our ethanol. The reverse reaction is called hydrolysis. Now, up to there, we have learned all the properties of ethene gas. First of all, we started with looking at the color of the gas, which is colorless. Then we smell the gas, which is odorless. Next, we bubbled the gas through the potassium permanganate. It turned the purple color of potassium permanganate to colorless. We burned the gas through the potassium dichromate from orange to green.